Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is gnarled. It is pronounced gnarled and spelt G-N-A-R-L-E-D. Note the silent G at the beginning. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Gnarled means having knots, twists, and rough surfaces. It's a way to describe something that is old and has had a rough life. For example, you could say, the gnarled old tree was a favorite spot for birds to nest. Or, the gnarled hands of the old man showed his years of hard work. The word gnarled is often used to describe old and twisted trees, but it can also be used to describe rough and twisted objects. In the book, The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein, the description of the tree's trunk as gnarled implies the tree's age, wisdom, and strength. Synonyms for gnarled are knotty, twisted, rough, and weathered. Antonyms for gnarled include smooth, straight, and polished. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, gnarled. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.